In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-renewal on Amazon Prime. If you're trying to make sure you aren't charged again, this walkthrough on desktop will take you from start to finish and explain what to expect afterward. Start by going to the Amazon website and signing into your account. Once you're signed in, move your cursor to the top right area where it says Accounts and Lists. Hover over that to open the menu, then click on your Prime membership. This takes you to the page where your Prime details live. On the Prime page, look for the section labeled Manage Membership. Click that, and then choose the option that says Update, Cancel, and More. Amazon places the auto-renewal controls here. Next, click End Membership or Do Not Continue. The wording can feel confusing because it sounds like you're losing Prime immediately. But on Amazon, choosing End Membership or Do Not Continue is actually how you turn off auto-renew. This simply stops the next charge. It does not cut off your current benefits right away. Amazon may show a few screens asking you to confirm. Just follow the prompts and continue with the choice that indicates you don't want to continue or you want to end. Keep clicking through until you reach the final confirmation. When you've completed the process, auto-renewal is turned off. Here's what happens next. You keep all your Prime benefits until your current billing period ends. That means shipping, streaming, and any other perks remain active until the date your membership would have renewed. After that end date, you won't be charged again, and your Prime access will stop unless you decide to reactivate. If you change your mind before it expires, you can turn Prime back on at any time. A few important tips will help avoid surprises. Try to do this at least 24 to 48 hours before your renewal date so the system has time to process your choice and you don't get billed. If you originally subscribed to Prime through another service, like an app store or a bundled third-party provider, you need to cancel through that same service. And remember, deleting the Amazon app from your phone does not stop auto-renewal. The cancellation only works when you complete the steps we just covered. The key insight to remember is that Amazon doesn't offer a simple off switch for auto-renew. Turning off auto-renewal on Amazon Prime means selecting End Membership or Do Not Continue, and your benefits will continue until your current period expires. Follow these steps, confirm your choice, and you'll be all set.